here we go again, another update. Got the sheetrock all done over here in the front. I was kind of worried as it was being done that it wasn't going to look good, but it actually does look pretty nice if you ask me. So now I think I'm gonna have a big couch here, TV there. I think I'm gonna do something over here, I'm not sure yet. I might buy a bigger fish tank and have a bunch of fish in there. Might put my desk over here, but my room is so big now. I might put my desk in my room, I don't know. I think I already showed this with sheetrock in it. The sheetrock is done here as well. So, as far as updates, there's not really much other than everything's tape embedded. It just has to be sanded down and textured, which is going to be done on Monday. So today is Friday. No, today's Saturday. So, yeah. Here, the only thing I did was lower this. This used to be way up here, but since I plan on putting like a shelf here, I didn't want it to be too high up. So that's the only reason I lowered the clean out right there. That's why there's a green patch. But yeah, everything's kind of cleaned up now. Looks nice. That window got canceled, which I did mention on the last one. But this closet, it's gonna be pretty big. I messed up because I forgot to have them move that outlet, but I think I'm just gonna put shelves there and leave it there for whatever might need to be plugged in the closet. This room's looking huge. It's made a huge difference. I believe I'm gonna have them level out the floor because one side's kind of higher than the other. And since I have the tile that I'm putting is 2 foot by 4 foot, if it goes over that, I mean, it's gonna leave a huge hump and it's gonna cause issues, and I want it to look good. So I don't even know if you can see in here, but yeah, you can see. That closet's pretty big now, pretty nice. I don't remember if I showed this restroom last time, but yeah, everything looking almost ready to be textured on Monday, maybe Monday and Tuesday, and then maybe get with some painters or something to come paint it all, get it all painted up, then get actually I might do the texture first, then do the floor leveling just in case there's any splashes and stuff, then do the paint, then have the electrician come plug everything in while they do the trim, paint the trim. Then I'll be moving into this side, finishing up the garage, maybe make a video of me doing the epoxy countertops that I've always wanted to do, but I got it ready. I got the cabinets installed and I cut my MDF board for the kitchen to go on top of the cabinets, but I never got the chance to do the epoxy. So when I move back to this side, I gotta still recut the MDF to fit perfectly, glue them together, do my epoxy. My first time ever doing epoxy, but I want to do the epoxy that kind of matches the tile, this white looking tile. Let me see where, there should be somewhere around here. I think, did they put it all outside? They took it outside. Oh, here's a mess. Oh man, it's stuck over here. It's stuck backwards. Let's see if there's any good pieces. Here we go. I want it to look kind of like this, except it's gonna have more dark lines like this. Hopefully that picks up on here. Yeah. So I want more darker lines on like that right there on the countertop. try. We'll see how good I do on this. It's gonna be my first time. But I bought it a long time ago so I could do it. But things came up. I had to move to that side faster than I expected, and it's been a handful. Been a hassle. But I'll be recording myself doing that. I think I'm gonna do it in the backyard once all this is cleaned up and installed and stuff. And y'all will see me do that, because that I'm gonna do myself. All this other stuff I haven't been doing myself. Which if I had been doing it myself, I don't think I'd be this far along. But yeah, it's coming. That's coming soon. As soon as I get I don't think I'm gonna record once I get the texture up, because you're probably not even gonna be able to really tell the difference. So I might record once the flooring is in and the paint is done. Or maybe just the paint. I'll do a quick update video. Then I'll do the flooring. Maybe I'll do the flooring after they put the trim, just so that it's not kind of a waste of the video. And then I'll be pretty much done. All that'll be left will be this kitchen, but I gotta finish the other kitchen first. I need to get that garage rented out. Well, it's not a garage anymore. I need to get that studio apartment rented out and see how things go. So, see you on the next one. All right, here goes another update. It's been a while since I updated because I didn't feel like there was enough changes to really make a huge difference. I believe I showed right before they textured. I don't think I showed when they put the texture, but it's been painted. Got gray on the walls, white on the ceiling, new ceiling fan, lights have been all put in, outlets, switches, new door. The windowsills are coming in. That one's not finished yet. This one I'm debating on making it a little bit bigger with some like design for like people to be able to sit right there. But I think I changed my mind. I think I'm gonna leave it the way it is and just fill it in. I'm not sure. Let me know what you think. But by the time you comment, I don't know how far along I'll be. Pantry's lit up. Oh, I forgot to turn on these lights. I was trying to turn on all the lights before I started recording, so you can see how it looks in here. But yeah, everything's lit up. Yeah, this show I extended over there. Vanity lights are in. Ceiling fans are in the rooms. This is one bedroom. That one it hasn't been painted and caulked yet, but that's a pretty nice windowsill over here. Still needs the little trim piece that goes in the bottom, which I don't think they've done any of those yet. But yeah. Coming along pretty nice, I think. Let me know your opinion. What you think? I think they look pretty good. I wish they would have put the trim on this so I could see what it looks like already. But yeah, I really like this white ceiling fan in here. Like, you can barely see it, but at the same time it looks really nice. My closet lights are in. This closet, you can see the seam right here. I noticed all the way around. But I don't really care because it's a closet. There's gonna be clothes hanging, shelves with things in it, so it's just a closet. But yes, everything's looking really nice. Oh, I got these lights. Let me show these. Actually, let me turn this off. I also want to show what the front door looks like without the with all the lights off and just the porch light on. Yeah, I got these little lights next to my bed. Man, they look really bright on the picture. I mean, the camera. Let me show you what they look like when they're off. Yeah, it's hard to show This is what they look like. And it kind of glows. It kind of has a glow to it with silver in the middle. But for some reason on the camera, it just looks like a, oh crap. Looks like a white blob. You can kind of see it there. Maybe you can see it better up close. That's what it looks like. So they look really nice. Those are to go on the sides of the bed. I haven't decided if I'm gonna leave them like that or put them sideways. Put them, you know, this way. But for now, I'm gonna leave it like that. See how it goes. Oh, let me turn that off. All right. My favorite part so far really has been this front door. Got the lights over here for the washer and dryer room, closet. Jeez, I got so many lights now. Okay. This one. Let me know what you think about the color too. I went gray with white ceilings. I feel like it looks really good. I've always liked the gray and white look. The only thing is these cabinets, I already purchased all my cabinets. I feel like the gray kind of goes, I don't know, it's like gray on gray. Kind of looks weird, but I'm hoping that the white floor, the white tile floor and the white countertop will make it still pop enough. Look at that glow. Let me turn on this light too. Oh, I love that way that door glows. Tell me that doesn't look good. Here and here in the living room, couch, watching TV, and you just leave the porch light on with that glow right there. It looks so nice. It looks nicer in here than it does on the camera, but it looks really good. But yeah. I also put those two little lights right there where I extended it. I think it's a nice little touch. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I also added that outlet on my own because I didn't realize either I forgot to tell them or they forgot, but I went ahead and added that outlet. Just had them wire it to this one so they're on the same line. But I'm really digging it. Let me know what you guys think. Still got a lot to do. I got the flooring, trim, paint the trim, cabinets, countertop, closets, restrooms, and that's it. That is it. I'll finally be done. So we're starting the flooring next. After the flooring, I already have my cabinets, so I might have the cabinets put in, but I might worry about the countertop till I'm done with the closets, so I can move in over here, finish the other side. Well, actually, I have to have at least one restroom, so I might do both restrooms first. Actually, yeah, scratch that. Flooring, restrooms, closets, move in, finish the kitchen on the other side, because all I need to do is the countertop, sink. That's it. Countertop and sink. And put the handles. But they got the handles right here. These are for the other side. Then I can show y'all that side, because I never did a walkthrough with the camera, which I'm not gonna do right now because it's a mess. I have 3 kids that live here with me. I have 4 kids, but one doesn't live here. She's old, she's grown. But it's been hard, and I'm ready to be over here. So I feel like it's coming too. It's almost here. But yeah, finish that side, get that rented out, get this side done, move in, move on to the next project. I have a lot of ideas up here that I want to do, to keep moving forward, to keep bringing videos. So, some of it's probably gonna be me doing stuff here, projects in my backyard. I want to build some stuff. I want to make some of my own furniture. So I want to do some stuff in the backyard. So none of that's going to be hired out, so I'm going to be doing it myself. But I also plan on starting another project. So another house project. So we got to get things moving. All right. Peace. See you on the next.